Hi, I'm Dr. Connor King, one of the total joint replacement surgeons at the center. My colleagues and I are pleased to present you with this video series to prepare you for total joint replacement. Our ultimate goal is to prepare you and your home caregiver with all of the knowledge you need for a successful surgery and recovery. Joint replacement is one of the most commonly performed surgical procedures and is primarily used for treatment of degenerative joint disease. These educational videos, along with your total joint guide, have all of the information that you will need on how to prepare for surgery, as well as what to expect after surgery and when to call our office. We encourage you to watch all of the videos in order and then revisit specific topics as you need them. Studies have shown that total joint arthroplasty patients that are armed with the skills, knowledge, and motivation to be an effective member of the healthcare team have better pain relief, decreased symptoms, improved mental health, and greater overall satisfaction. Before we get started, I want to inform you about a couple of restrictions after total joint surgery to help you plan ahead and avoid the risk of infection or blood clot. Remember, no long car rides for 6 weeks after surgery. No air travel for 90 days after surgery. And lastly, no dental work for 90 days after surgery unless it's an emergency. We are so pleased that you have taken the important step to prepare yourself for your upcoming surgery by watching this video series. Please grab a pen and write down any questions that you may have during this educational video series so that you can ask your care team at your next appointment.